Presenting Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker in the color blue. The speaker comes in 6 color variants of blue, white, black, green, orange and turquoise. The Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker delivers a deep and powerful sound with a solid bass to amplify your beats and make you fall in love with every note. The Mivi Play portable wireless speaker comes with a sleek design that makes it the best choice for those who love their music in private or with friends. The speaker is also dust and splash proof. The Mivi Play wireless speaker packs a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that offers a life of up to 12 long hours on a single charge to provide you longer music playback sessions. Mivi Play's latest and advanced Bluetooth 5.0 lets you enjoy seamless wireless connectivity, keeping your connections strong and uninterrupted. You can take calls, change music and more with the button controls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.